In this video, we will see how to fix unable to turn on Wi-Fi or Bluetooth on any iPhone. So let's get started. Now, first of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And from here, just open the connection section in the control center. Now, at the top of the screen, just tap on airplane mode and turn on airplane mode. Now, just wait for a few seconds, then tap on airplane mode one more time and turn it off. And this should fix your issue. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then go to your home screen and force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. If this also did not fix your issue, then the next thing you can do is to open Settings, then tap on General. And from here, just tap on VPN and Device Management. Now, if there is any VPN connected to your iPhone, it will be shown right here. Now, just disconnect any VPN which is connected to your iPhone. After that, just go back and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Tap on Reset Network Settings, and by doing that, you will reset all the network settings on your iPhone. And this option will not delete any data of your iPhone. It will only reset the network settings on your iPhone. If this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just open Settings, then tap on General. From here, just tap on Software Update. Now just check if you have any software update available. Now to check your software update, you must be connected to the internet. Now just connect your iPhone to the mobile data and check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have enabled a setting on your iPhone which might be causing this issue. For that, just go back and in General, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset. Now this time, just select Reset All Settings. Now from here, just tap on Reset All Settings. And by doing that, you will reset all the settings on your iPhone. Also, this option will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will only reset all the settings on your iPhone. But if you have done all that and if none of the methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix unable to turn on Wi-Fi or Bluetooth on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.